We are at the Noster Park in the camping area. They have the rocks, and there is the ocean, or not ocean, sorry, the lake. I wish it was the ocean though. But yeah, you can walk the area. Keep going. You can do it, just be careful. You just take your time. Keep going. Mommy's coming, just hold on, okay? I'm coming over there. Okay, go ahead.
That's really red sauce, please.
Okay. Keep going, Mommy got you.
Okay.
Just cross over. It's okay. Keep going. Keep going. I'm right behind you. I know, I see.
Sorry, take your time.
See, there you go.
No, I'm going to take my time. Oh,
Keep going. I know, right?
mile-an-hour wind gust come through.
There you go. There you go. Good girl. Yay. Woohoo, we made it. Let me go over there where Shane is. Careful. No, walk, because that's a hill. No. Stop. No. Let's do what? Yeah, that's what we're doing. One hill. Got to slow down. No, because I don't want you. No, I don't want you to fall.
I promise go slow.
No, because I don't want you to hurt yourself. Wouldn't it be awesome if the snow, like a slide? Stop. Right, that's what I'm saying. You can't go all the way because you see the pedal right there. Slow down. We're almost at the end. Slow down. Stop right there. Stop. And we are up, down the hill. It's pretty awesome. Stop. I don't know how deep that is. Pretty awesome. You wanna come over here? I got to hold your hand. I don't want you to fall. How about this? You want me to take a picture of you? Can you sit down up on that?
Sit down?
Yeah. Okay, up. No, turn around. There's no bugs or nothing. Just rocks and dirt. It's okay. I got you. Just get back. So let's take that helmet off.
I will do
Okay,
it.
take it. All right. All right, ready? 1, 2. Smile at Mommy.
Cheese.
Mommy, not Shane. Mommy. What color? Look. No. 1, 2, 3. How about put your legs crossed? There you go. There you go.
Cheese.
Okay, Mommy. There you go.
Lakota.
One more.
Lakota. Lakota.
Let's stay. No, stay right there. I want to do something.
Why are you down there?
Okay, look at mommy. Stay right there. Look at mommy.
Cheese. Dakota. There. Cheese.
How about you can do this on the rock?
Okay.
There we go. It's cute. 1, 2.
Okay.
Push the wrong button. Okay, let's do that again.
1, 2, 3.
Put your head down a little bit. There we go.
1, 2, 3.
There we go. Let's do. I'm gonna get down just a minute. Oh, be careful. Where are you going all the way over there? Here. Jump. There you go. Good job. No, stop. Here, take this back. Put this back on.
Hurry! Cross that.
Go over there where Shayna's, but we have to go all the way. We don't want to go in the wet.
No. Let's do that.
But we have to go all the way up and then go around.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if that's going to be wet or not. Oh. Shane all the way over there.
Let's
Wait a
go.
minute. Hey, way over there on the other side of where we at. See? See him all the way over there? Here, let me zoom in again. See? He way over there.
Yeah. I think a video of him.
Yeah, it's a video. Let me see Lakota. Where Lakota?
Do bigger, mommy.
Do what?
Bigger.
Make it bigger?
Uh-huh.
No, we don't want. Put the tongue back in. That's yucky. There you go. Just smile. Let me see. Where are we going? Wait. Wait a minute. Stay right there. There you go. Say I love you, mommy.
I love you, mommy. Bye-bye.
No. Anyways, just say I love you.
I love you, mommy.
Okay.
The end.
No, mommy's still recording.
Okay. Let's go back.
Let's go back up. Okay.
I'll be.
You be careful.
Okay, I will. You know.
Now we're going back up the hill.
Yep, we are. Then we go back down.
No, we're not going that way. Shane's gonna come back. Up the hill we go.
There we go.
You want to do that again? And mommy watch you do it? Mommy record you do it?
Well,
It's okay.
I think I need to help these two.
Okay. Okay. Get on that big rock. Now take a picture. There you go. Let me turn around and let me take a picture. Yeah.
I just saw a snake. A snake eating a fish.
A snake eating a fish?
I got the video of it.
Wow. Good job. See, you made me lose all her, because I want to see her cross that again. Let me see you cross over again. Don't you watch out. Stop jumping. Get back over here. I want to see you cross over. Oops, hope I didn't miss that. Okay, still going.
Okay.
Yeah, take your time. I know, I see the little dance. Take your time.
I can do this one.
Okay, take your time. You can do it. You did it all the way, didn't you? So you can do it back. You careful. Oh, oh, Lakota. Oh, she got in the water. She lost her balance.
I can't do it.
How's that? Is that cold?
Yes. I can't do it. Mommy, come over here with me.
No, why don't you come over here?
I have to fall in the water. I think that's a wrap. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Stop digging.
Oh, man, I got that camera.
Yeah. Oh, well, hurry up and come over here. She gotta use the bathroom.
One step at a time. Watch where your foot is. Watch where your foot is. Take your time. Keep watching your feet. If you think a rock is too iffy, means it's moving a lot, then place your foot right. Okay?
This is going to be really good.
Come on, hurry, because there's somebody coming over here.
Come on. Come on.
Hurry up.
Come on. I got you. Next. Next.
I think you can do it now.
I got you. Oh, you're good. You're just not being balanced.
We're going to do this one.
Okay, come on now. Hurry up. Squeeze behind us. Come on.
Watch where you're doing.
Go.
Uh-oh, these two walks.
Just be careful. One at a time.
Come on, my buddy.
And you did it. Yay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go up.
Bathrooms, I think they're up here.
Yeah, I think so.
I can't believe you fell in.
It was funny.
It was too. I got it on camera.
I know I did too.
Yeah, down there, I saw there's a water moccasin. You gotta move over this first.
Yeah. Scoot to your right.
This way. Where I am.
I was trying to get her on her own.
Sorry.
You get?
Thank you.
Don't use your chest. Your legs. Sit up.
Your shoes are probably
Legs,
slippery
sit
because
up.
you're wet.
Sit up.